Good morning, children. Welcome to class 7 science once again. Children, today we are going to start new chapter in class 7 science. Actually, it is the last chapter of your syllabus, that is chapter number 16. Okay, it is not 15. It is chapter number 16, that is water, a precious resource. Children, we know very well there can be no life without water on the earth, and the World Water Day is celebrated on 22nd of March. Okay, clear? The United Nations has recommended the water for drinking, washing, and maintaining proper hygiene is a minimum of 50 liters per person per day. Okay, means one person can use 50 liters of water in one day. Okay, for washing, for drinking, and for maintaining the personal hygiene. Okay, this is the value, this is the amount that is selected by United Nations. Okay, and the year 2003 was observed as the International Year of Fresh Water. Okay, actually, it is, you know, the UN has declared 2003 as International Year of Fresh Water for make people aware. Okay, for make people aware regarding water. Okay, children. Now, the forms of water, that is solid, liquid, and gas. Okay. Now see on your screen that we have discussed, that is the 2003 was the observed as International Year of Fresh Water. Okay. To make people aware of this dwindling natural resource. Okay, and 22nd of March, that can you see on your screen, is celebrated as World Water Day. Okay, children, here some slogan that is for you. Children, this PDF, this PPT I have taken from Priyanka Tyangi blogs. uh, they show the some slogan that is, let's save precious water, save our water, every drops count, think green, save water. Save water please. Okay, like this type of slogan you can see on your screen. Next, now that is water on the earth. Okay, so children, we know that about 71% of earth's surface is covered with water, and the water is present in the ocean, seas, rivers, lakes, ice caps, as groundwater in and in the atmosphere. Okay, so these are the various sources of water like ocean, seas, rivers, lakes, ice caps, and groundwater. Okay, these are the sources of water. Most of this water is not fit for human consumption. So, the water that fit for human use is called fresh water. Okay, so we'll use only the fresh water for consumption. Will not use the water that are found in the ocean, will not use the water that are found in rivers and seas and lakes. Uh, Children, if the fresh water is found in natural water bodies, then we can take. Otherwise, we cannot take the salty water. Okay, clear? Now, water that is available in the three forms. Number one, solid. Number two, liquid. And number three, gaseous. Solid, that is in the form of ice and snow. Ice that is present on ice caps. Second, that is liquid. Water is present in ocean, lakes, rivers, etc. is liquid water. Number three, gaseous. Gaseous, that is water vapor. Like water vapor is present in air around us, that is in gaseous form. Okay, clear children? Now the water cycle. Children, first you download this video, then watch. Water cycle. Okay, in water cycle, we know very well ocean is the biggest storehouse of water, which on evaporation forms clouds, and which after condensation fall down as rain. Okay, after rain it passes through the rivers and again get collected in the ocean. So children, the circulation of water in this manner is known as water cycle. Okay children, you're getting what I'm saying to you. Water cycle that have the three steps. First, evaporation. Second, condensation. And third, that is precipitation. Okay, evaporation, that is when the water that is evaporate from the sea, okay, and it will rise up in the air. Clear? This is the first step of water cycle and it is called evaporation. Second, condensation. Children, in condensation, the water that is evaporated will cools and condenses to form clouds. Okay, so when water condense and form clouds, this step is called condensation. Now the third step, that is when the water that fall back to the earth as rain, snow or hail, this is called precipitation. Okay, so this circulation of water between ocean and land is called water cycle. Okay children, water cycle, that is very simple, very easy. They have the three steps. Number one, evaporation. Evaporation, that is when water heats up and rise up. Okay. Number two, condensation, when evaporated water cools and condenses to form cloud. This is called condensation. Third, that is precipitation. Children, in precipitation, the water is again fall back to the earth in the form of snow and ice or rain, snow and rain, and this step is called precipitation. Okay, clear? Simple, easy. So in the water cycle, water is found in three different forms: solid, liquid and gas. Okay, the solid form of water are ice and snow is found as the ice caps at the poles and snow cover mountains and glaciers. Second, the liquid form of water is found in oceans, lakes, rivers and groundwater. Okay children, now the gaseous form of water is found as water vapor in the air around us. Okay, so this is about water cycle that we have discussed today. Okay, now see in this picture children, that is the first of all, this is the sea water, groundwater. Here in sea water the sun heats the sea water, river water. Okay, and this will evaporate and goes to the upside. This is evaporation. Now next, that is condensation. When evaporated water condenses and cools to form the clouds. These are the clouds you can see on your screen. When these clouds are formed from the evaporated water is called condensation. Okay, now third, that is precipitation. In precipitation, when the water fall on the earth in the form of snow or rain is called precipitation. Now this water is again go to the sea and this process is called water cycle. Okay, clear children? I hope you have learned properly what we have discussed today. Thank you.